ready to run. Deceleration races in a red cap. Reckon Run still to go right in. Starter already has the light on, but Reckon Run just backing away. Look as though we could be ready this time. Set to go. They're racing. All Too Much, Little Larrikin slow to leave, and so was Reckon Run. Getting away quickly, Key Hedge, One Ring and City of Subiaco. Driving up finally China, then followed Saxon Susie. Deceleration working across from a wide draw. Blizzard Express is up on the pace. 2 lengths to Storm Ending, then followed Little Larrikin, All Too Much, Sestrina's Flying Medal. Back in the field, Ancient Spell and Reckon Run is last. They run off the back with 700 metres to go, and they're going fairly quickly where One Ring leads by a length and a half. Key Hedge with a nice run second. City of Subiaco next. Deceleration, the favourite's done a bit of work to get around to be fourth. Then followed finally China next in the field. Blizzard Express tracked up beautifully. Then followed Saxon Susie, All Too Much, ridden patiently back in the field, starting to chime in. Then followed Storm Ending from Little Larrikin. Ancient Spell well back on the corner with Flying Medal, Reckon Run and Sestrina's. One Ring turned in front from Key Hedge. Deceleration and All Too Much down the outside with Blizzard Express. Deceleration wandering around a bit on the inside. One Ring and now All Too Much right down the outside along with Blizzard Express. All Too Much and Blizzard Express come together, but All Too Much coming away now, and All Too Much by a length and a quarter over Blizzard Express. Deceleration may have just run third. Then One Ring, Ancient Spell getting home well from Flying Medal, Key Hedge, Storm Ending. Then Sestrina's well back in the field, City of Subiaco. Then followed Saxon Susie, finally China, Little Larrikin and Reckon Run. Oh, nice ride there by Mitch Pateman on All Too Much. There was plenty of pace on up early. He was back midfield, coming up past the 600 metre mark. Just started to improve his run from that point and chimed in as soon as they straightened down the outside. Blizzard Express tried to go with All Too Much, but All Too Much had All Too Much on Blizzard.